Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is a channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about personal finance, and we also talk about business finance as well. If you're new, please click the subscribe button to get my frequent updates and click that notification bell. Well, today's video is going to be about the SVB bank failure, and it looks like SVB customers will find themselves with a nice deposit tomorrow in their bank accounts. The US regulators have found a way to allow the depositors to retain their funds. It says here, an extraordinary action to restore confidence in America's banking system. The Biden administration on Sunday guaranteed that customers of the failed Silicon Valley Bank will have access to all their money starting Monday. So that means all those accounts that had millions of dollars, Roku business over $46 million, will get access to those funds, not just the normal 250K FDIC insured. In related action, the government shut down Signature Bank, a regional bank that was teetering on the brink of collapse in recent days. Okay, so in addition to that, the U.S. government, to restore confidence, has gone ahead and shut down Signature Bank out of, I believe, Connecticut or New York. In a joint statement, Treasury Yellen, Federal Reserve, and Jerome Powell, and the FDIC, Martin Grunberg, stated that the FDIC will make SVB and Signature customers whole by guaranteeing all deposits, even the uninsured money that customers kept with the failed banks. Okay, so that is the latest breaking news. This is Sunday evening. Now, the reason why this was done was going into the opening of the Asian market. Basically, America wanted to look pretty good. Because who knows what happened in the global market if we'd have had two big banks fail, okay? And especially payroll that all these other new IT startups would not be able to make, okay? So the Fed will make additional funding available to eligible financial institutions to prevent runs on similar banks in the future. Monday will surely be a stressful day for many in the regional banking sector. So that includes PacWest Bank, all those banks on the West Coast whose stock prices have fell. Hopefully those bank stock prices won't continue to fall, okay? Says Wall Street investors were relieved that the government intervened. Dow futures were up nearly 300 points late Sunday, and the S&P and NASDAQ futures were both up 1.3% in future markets, okay? So as I stated just a moment ago, basically, this restores confidence. And so the Asian market opens, I guess, about an hour from now. It's about, let's see, 6:30 here on the Pacific. So either way, basically, this restores confidence in the global market and that America doesn't have similar bank runs to about to happen. The Fed is basically trying to stave off the next crisis. The Fed's new so-called bank term funding program is designed to prevent the next SVB bank from collapsing. See, this all really started with hiking interest rates and SVB purchasing too many short-term treasury bonds. So basically, the treasury bonds were set for 4 years, and basically they had to cash those in and give that money to depositors. And so basically they missed, they missed kind of planned. But ultimately it came down to the startup market slowing down, okay? Because basically the money comes from the investors. The investors invest tens of millions of dollars in these startups. And when they think that the startup's not going to make it, they slowly start to pull funding. Also, many of these startups with the hiking rates on the interest rate, it was costing the investors money. So again, this is great for small businesses and those that had uninsured deposits. And this will stem the brink of another bank run. Okay, so this is the update. SVBA customers are rescued. Customers with over $10 million in deposits. Even Roku, Pinterest, Etsy, many of the famous startups that you know of are being rescued because they had funds in SVB or Silicon Valley Bank, okay? So also the government went ahead and closed down Signature Bank out of New York, and they also are guaranteeing deposits there as well, well over the normal 250K FDIC insured amount, okay? So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.